Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how you can stake Mina. Let's get started if you're ready. Firstly, let's get to know Mina a bit. Mina is a Layer 1 blockchain with smart contracts written in TypeScript. Unlike other blockchains where data sizes continuously increase, Mina has fixed data sizes. Mina protocol has caps, zero-knowledge applications. Smart contracts on Mina supported by zero-knowledge proofs are called ZCAPs. These contracts are unique and aim for unlimited off-chain execution with a focus on privacy. Mina is truly a unique project with a vision to be a pioneer in many aspects. Therefore, the Mina protocol is a significant system. Projects on the Mina protocol issue tokens. Projects issuing tokens also conduct airdrops. If these airdrops are like TIAs, they can provide excellent gains. To earn airdrops in projects on Mina, we stake. Additionally, Mina provides staking rewards. To stake Mina, you can use Chlorio or Oro wallet. I will be using the Chlorio wallet. After entering the site, I choose the Use Chlorio browser option. If you have created a wallet before, you can click the Login button. To create a new wallet, click the Create New Wallet button. On this page, select an avatar and proceed. After that, you will be given 12 words. Do not lose these words because without them, you cannot access your wallet. Note down these words. In the next step, you will be asked to verify the words. After doing that, you can return to the login screen. Now that I know the words, I can click the Login button. I press the Private Key Passphrase button and enter the words I received earlier. Yes, now I can click the Access the Wallet button. The wallet screen is open and my Mina wallet address is at the top. At this stage, what I need to do is send Mina to this address from other exchanges. When sending Mina, they may ask you for a memo address. Leave the memo or text address blank when withdrawing Mina. When you send Mina, the system will deduct 1 Mina from you. This is the wallet opening fee and is only applicable for the first transfer. After the first transfer, there will be no $1 deduction from the Mina you deposit. Once your Minas arrive in your account, they will be visible in this section. After this stage, what you need to do is stake your Minas by entering the stake section. For staking, you need to use the validators below. These validators perform your stake transactions, taking certain deductions from you. I advise against using exchange validators. If you do this, you may not receive airdrops. I choose a validator with a high rate, thinking it will be advantageous in airdrop distribution. I proceed by clicking the Confirm button and then the Proceed button. Yes, the stake is completed. As the epochs on the right side are completed, we will receive airdrop rewards. It may take about a month to receive the first reward. If you want to withdraw your Minas from the system, go to the Send section. Enter your Mina address in the field above. Since the exchange did not give you a memo during the deposit process, you can leave the memo section below blank. After entering the amount, you can send your Minas to your wallet address. When doing this, 1 Mina will be burned. That is, there will be a deduction of 1 Mina. After confirming the transaction, you will be able to retrieve your Minas. I hope the video has been useful for you. Don't forget to follow my channel and like the video. See you in the next video.